Welcome back, gorgeous humans. This is part 2 of our urinary health series on hot and healthy menopause. If you haven't listened to part 1 yet, go back. It lays the foundation with hormones, anatomy, and warning signs. Today we're moving from knowledge to action. What you can actually do to heal, strengthen, and retrain your bladder and pelvic floor. Welcome back to Hot and Healthy Menopause. I'm Nicole Van Haddam, your menopause coach and your retreat-loving guide through this midlife adventure. Why movement matters. Let's start with something joyful, dance. A Canadian team led by Dr. Chantal Dumoulin, Canada Research Chair in Urogynecological Health, ran a feasibility study combining pelvic floor exercises with dance-based virtual reality games. The results? Greater reduction in daily leakage, 0 dropouts, higher motivation. Published in Neurourology and Neurodynamics, this was the first time virtual reality had been used to treat urinary incontinence. Why did it work? Fun and neuroplasticity. Movement plus laughter plus music help the brain relearn pelvic floor control and bladder timing. So whether it's salsa, Pilates, or just dancing in your kitchen, movement that engages your core and pelvic floor is therapy. Retraining the bladder brain. Your bladder can be retrained like any muscle. Bladder training involves gradually extending the time between toilet trips. Start with 10 minutes, work up to 2 to 3 hours. This process rebuilds the communication between your bladder and brain. Add toe wiggling or deep breathing when the urge hits. It distracts the bladder's reflex arc and calms the nervous system. Research shows combining pelvic floor strength work, bladder training, and topical estrogen can reduce incontinence episodes by up to 70%. Nutrition, microbiome, and medications. Supporting your urinary tract from within. Nutrition and lifestyle. Stay hydrated. Dehydration irritates the bladder. Limit caffeine, alcohol, and fizzy drinks. Include omega-3s for tissue repair and anti-inflammatory effects. See my Zinzino Omega Balance test episode that will help you understand this more. Medications. If conservative measures fail, doctors may offer medications to reduce involuntary bladder contractions. Botox injections, which will relax the bladder muscle, and nerve stimulation therapies for stubborn cases. But always rule out infection first and ask if vaginal estrogen or non-antibiotic preventatives could be tried before chronic antibiotics. Advocating for yourself and older women. Your GP may not bring it up. You might have to. Take notes, bring your symptom tracker, and say, I've read research on postmenopausal urinary changes and would like to discuss local estrogen, pelvic floor physio, and non-antibiotic options. And here's your invitation. Start the conversation upward in your family tree. Ask your mum, aunt, or grandmother, have you ever had UTIs or leaks since menopause? Did anyone ever talk to you about vaginal estrogen or pelvic floor physio? You might just save her from the next infection or a hospital admission. Rebuilding confidence. You deserve to dance, laugh, and sneeze without fear. Pelvic floor doesn't just stop leaks. It reconnects you to your core, your sensuality, your confidence. Imagine how life would feel without planning around toilets or pads. What new freedom would that give you? Your hot and healthy action plan. Download the Menopause Symptom Tracker from NicoleVanHaddam.com. Commit to one joyful movement, dance, yoga, walking, that activates your pelvic floor daily. And if you want expert support, work with me as your menopause coach to create a tailored plan that restores your strength, your dignity, and your sparkle. Subscribe to Hot and Healthy Menopause on Apple, Spotify, and YouTube, and share this 2-part series with your mum, your daughter, and every woman who deserves to live leak-free and shame-free. Thanks for listening to Hot and Healthy Menopause. If today's episode helped you, please follow the show and share it with a friend who's also navigating the transition. And remember, you'll find my free menopause symptom tracker, retreat recommendations, and more resources at NicoleVanHaddam.com. This is your time to thrive, and I'll be right here to guide you through it.